What's up, everyone? Welcome back, Epic Squad. In this ride, 230 minus 230, which equals 0, times 230 minus 230 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 230 times 230 equals 52,900. So we have 230 minus 52,900 minus 230, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 230 minus 52,900, which equals minus 52,670. So we have minus 52,670 minus 230, which equals minus 52,900. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe and keep the good vibes flowing.